Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the default flip key fob battery. Okay, you press the button. Yeah, this button here. You press the button to release the metal brake. Okay, the battery is in here. Okay, so we need one CR2032 battery, one flathead screwdriver. If you look inside here, yeah, you see there's a notch there. Yeah, the notch there. Yeah, so you can push the cover up to open it. Yeah, or you can just push it. You push it up like that to open it. Yeah. So in this case, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to push it up to open it. Yeah, if you hold the battery like that, the key fob like that, yeah, you just push it up like that. Yeah, push it up. Here you go. Here is the CR2032 battery. Okay, so gently pry the battery up like that. Yeah, here we go. CR2032 battery. To replace it, yeah, you just push it in like that. Yeah, push it in, press it down. Yep. Once it's in, you put the cover back on. Here the cover. Okay, you just press it down all the way down. Yeah, it's all done. Yeah, this is fault key fault. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.